Hey, it's Chris here. Thanks for joining me on this new project. This awesome looking, brand new for 2024 Liberty Walk Murcielago from Aoshima. So I just want to say a massive thank you to Aoshima for sending this out to me. I was over the moon. I was so excited when I opened the box to see this sat inside. I was absolutely blown away. So a massive thank you to Aoshima for sending this out. Thank you so much. I have had a quick look inside. It's a very similar layout to the Aventador, the Huracan that I built previously. I mean, starting off, obviously, the first thing we start off with is the box, and always is with these products, the box art is just fantastic. And there's quite a few bits to note as well with this box art, and the information on the sides. So with a kit like this, it's not aimed at an expert. It's not aimed at a beginner, anyone in particular. This is aimed for everyone. So you could be doing this for a week, a year, a decade, however long. This kit is for everyone. And I'll show you a little bit why in a moment when we get inside the box. But if you've not seen these kits, not seen any unboxings, not worked on one of these kits, they do come with, as you can see just there, easy model kit for beginners. It comes with stickers as well as the decals, which is, I think it's a great inclusion to include the stickers along with the decals, just so it includes everyone in the building scene, so no one feels afraid to pick it up. This is for everyone. So this is the sort of thing you like. If you, like I say, if you've been doing it a week, a month, a year, pick it up. So easy, great kit, full of detail, and you don't have to use the decals. You use the stickers. I mean, when I did the Huracan and the Aventador, I've used a bunch of stickers on various parts, places, interior, and such. If they're there, use them. Some of them are very good quality as well. But yeah, another thing with these kits, if you've got the adjustable ride height and camber, which you can adjust after complete full assembly, so it's a very, very good feature. Like I say, as I've built the Huracan already and the Aventador, these are some of the most well engineered kits I've ever worked on. And I know I've only been doing it 5 years. I think I've built about 88 cars, but these Liberty Walk Lamborghinis from Aoshima are just incredible. So you've seen the box. Let's get it open. Let's get the bits out of the bags. Let's have a look. So as I said, this is for everyone, any age, any skill set. This will be absolutely fine for you. So again, as I mentioned, decals and stickers. So you've got your decal sheet. You can see it all on the carrier film, look. Very good quality. And then you've got your sticker sheet. And it's quite a thin sticker sheet as well. So, you know, if you don't want to paint it, you don't want to use the decals, sorry, you don't want to use the decals, use the stickers. No problem at all. Not only that, you do also have a chrome sticky, excuse the brightness from the torch, this metallic sticker sheet. You could use the window trims or bits for the dashboard to detail it up. You know, they've got the dash, you know, some of the bits like that dashboard, the speedo dials. I won't be afraid to use them. But yes, it's super cool. You've also got something like this. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it. So with this, you can actually use. Let me give me a little cocktail stick. So you can actually use the outer part as the window trim on the inside, or you can use the inner part of the sticker and use that as a mask off. So it literally caters for everyone. You don't want to paint anything. Look at the finish on these discs. Don't want to paint them? Don't paint them. A little bit of black panel wash, good to go. And then you look at the rear lights, coloured plastic, like most Aoshima kits, and as you can see, a fantastic quality. Brilliant, absolutely. And again, please, if you are a beginner, don't let this put you off. The kit is amazing. You know, the instruction, I mean, look at the instruction book. The book is huge. And it is well laid out with super great visual, of a good size, well explained. And just looking through this, I mean, already look at that. That is such an awesome looking car. I mean, when I see this was coming out this year, when I saw it last year advertised, I was so excited. It's just an awesome looking car. And this is an awesome looking kit. Again, so yeah, not only do you have great instructions with well laid out parts, you've also got what it would look like with some colour on. Stickers, decals. Pretty cool, yeah? This is a great feature. Absolute great feature. Having actual photos of the actual parts in colour. Superb. You got all the parts there. It is such a nice book. Honestly, I'm not just saying it, but these Liberty Walk Lamborghini kits from Aoshima are the best ones I've ever probably worked on. And they're just the quality, the engineering, the fit, and even down to the instruction booklet. It's just class. It's awesome. As for the body, you don't want to paint it, and you were quite happy to leave it in the pearl white. I don't know how well you can catch it, but even in the plastic that it's moulded in, it's a pearl white plastic. So even if you didn't want to paint it, you don't have to paint it. So again, I say it's for everyone. Beginner, experienced, somewhere in between. This kit is for everyone. I know I keep saying it, but I can't say it enough. I don't want, you know, anyone to feel put off by it, especially beginners. You know, beginners always ask, sometimes when they reach out, can you recommend some good kits to start with? These, if you like, you know, your supercars, Italian cars, Lamborghinis, or your Japanese tuner kits. You know, this sort of falls under a few brackets. It's a bit of a mix between almost a snap kit and a normal model kit, because a lot of the parts and panels actually, you know, fit in just so nicely as well, really nicely. And again, this is a new kit, brand new for 2024, and I am very much looking forward to getting into this. So anyway, that's enough of me talking about this kit. You've seen what it comes with the body, the decals, the stickers. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just show you everything else without any commentary. But anyway, thanks for watching, and keep your eyes out for the first video where we'll get some work done. Again, thanks for tuning in. Look after yourselves. See you next time.